Okay, just brought you out to a couple of old jobs that we done for Brick Effect Render. I did a post on it the other day and somebody asked me about some of the different finishes that you can achieve with it. So just going to walk you down a street here where we did a couple. I'll just turn this camera around now and show you. So this is a street out in Barton-upon-Humber where our offices are. And there's you can see there, that's a house as it was. And then the one to the right there, that's got Brick Effect Render on it. That's render. So it's insulated render, so it's insulation bolted to the house and then it's rendered over the top of that. You can see that finish, then you can see the next one. You see they do look like brickwork, but I think they look a bit fake personally. But you can see they're the things that you can do if your house, you don't like the look of it aesthetically, or you want to insulate it. I'll just get a bit closer so you can see. So you can see there that the house and then the insulation gets wrapped and then rendered around the corner. You see that? How it steps out. So that's how you do that one. Then if you didn't like the Brick Effect Render, you can see it, look how it is. So that's the base coat behind, then this gets applied on top and then the joints raked out. But I'll show you this one. This is another one we did on the end here. So they didn't go for the Brick Effect Render. This one's just a render finish. Auction house there, look. So that's just render. Again, it's insulation though. That's insulated render. Big old house, this one. Yeah. I'll show you this, what can be achieved in the render. So that arch detail there and above the doors, they've done it to mirror what was there before, as you can see. That's there now, and that's what was there before. That's all render, believe it or not. That was all.